Well, in a crazy turn of events, Uber has officially raised the bonus for cancellation. So if you're an Uber driver, this is extremely important information. I'm gonna cover it in all the details that you need to know in a quick, simple, easy to understand fashion. So if you appreciate quick news, please thumbs up the video. It helps tremendously. It allows me to, understand if you guys are enjoying the quick tidbit videos. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this. I do wanna thank our video sponsor, Solo. So Solo is a brand new business app for drivers, and they have an awesome guaranteed pay feature where if you sign up and work a certain shift and you don't make that amount that they provide on their app, they're gonna pay you the difference. This is an incredible brand new app. If you haven't heard of it yet, they're gonna give you 15 bucks just for signing up, and they have a free nationwide plan that you could sign up for. Get 15 bucks when you entering your Venmo or PayPal on their app. It's super simple. They have federal tax projections, so you know how much you might owe in tax at the end of the year. Automated mileage tracking. They have a free trial going on right now. And they even have daily guaranteed pay, which is free until 7/31, so the end of the month. So check out Solo with our link below, and now let's get started. So this was just shared in our Facebook group, and if you're not in our Facebook group, you need to join because people are sharing news constantly. We have over 18,000 members in that group. It's called the Uber/Lyft Drivers Facebook group. And as you can see, my friends, Brian Brumand, one of our members, just shared this. He says, not too shabby cancellation fee. This was an Uber reservation where rider canceled after I arrived and waited. Initially, I got nothing, but after reporting it, they gave me the full ride amount. Anybody else have one of these big cancellation fees? And as you can see here, my friends, let's take a look at the details that Uber does fairly provide to drivers. The fare was a $55, what's it called? A $55 ride, and he ended up reporting it and got $41.84 for showing up. And Ricardo here says he's gotten 25 bucks. So I don't know about you guys, but I know back when I was driving quite a bit, the most I got was $10, five bucks, usually 10 bucks. A lot of times $0. I did a lot of Uber Eats pickup orders, and sometimes I get to the restaurant, they didn't have the food, and I would get $0. So 41 bucks, needed to share this with you guys, my friends. So let me know what you guys are getting for Uber cancellation fees, and if you've gotten any of these big ones, and also check out the link down below for Work Solo and get your $15 just for signing up. Again, you'll get access to some of these incredible price plans that you get. The average person who uses Work Solo takes home $5,000 more per year, which is absolutely incredible. So get a risk-free 14-day trial of Solo. The Solo subscription is a tax deduction, so check it out down below. It's nationwide. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.